Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to draw shades. I think the shadows. This is one lesson that I learned in drawing class, and it comes really handy when it comes to like shading like eyes and stuff for different characters. And I usually use it to shade the eyes stuff. See, yeah, like for example, like I'm shading the eyes for these characters right here, my old characters. So I wanted to show you, as for example, I'm going to draw an apple. Draw an apple like that. Going to draw an apple like that. And if you want to know how to learn how to shade, you can always try practicing like tipping the pencil a little bit and shading like this. You gotta be very gentle. Shading, you can always practice like this. You're shading like that. And you can always erase it a little bit. And the direction you want to, there's certain directions that you are able to pinpoint, like the light and the direction. You can do this in real life. Like if you go out in the sun, you see your shadow. And if you actually look at an object near the sun, there's like certain lighting effects under the sun. Like for example, if I drew a sun right here, top of here, I drew the sun right here, that will help a little bit. As you can see, there's a little light when you erase the apple. There's seems to be a little light right there. You can always since the sun's on the left side of the apple, the light is going to show this part of the apple is going to be lighter than usual. And if you make sure you want to do is paint like the right side of the apple darker, like this. As you can see, it's in the opposite direction of the sun. And you can always one section of the apple right here, like that. Is a reflection of the sun, so you can draw like that. Of course, this is an art direction for beginners. If you want to get into drawing, if you want more detailed drawings, you can always draw like this. And you want to for the shadow, like this is a little shadow right here. You might want to draw it darker, way darker than the apple. Yep, that's an apple with the shading effect. Oh yeah, if you like my tutorial, make sure to like, comment, subscribe.